Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the networking failed to start error in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Whether you're stuck on the loading screen, getting kicked before a match starts, or simply can't connect to online services, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get back online fast. First, take a quick look at your internet connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, try switching to an Ethernet connection, and if you're already on Ethernet, switch to Wi-Fi instead. This quick change can refresh your network route and fix temporary connection issues. If that doesn't help, open Windows Settings, go to Network and Internet, and turn off your current connection. After that, connect your PC to your mobile phone's hotspot and launch Black Ops 6. Once the game successfully starts, you can switch back to your regular Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Next, open the Start menu and type Windows Security, then open it. Click on Firewall and Network Protection and select Allow an app through Firewall. Click Change Settings, then find Call of Duty Black Ops 6 the list. Make sure both private and public boxes are checked. This allows the game to communicate properly with the servers. Now, click on Advanced Settings. Open Inbound Rules, locate Black Ops 6, right-click it, and go to Properties. Under the Advanced tab, ensure both private and public are selected, then click Apply and OK. Repeat the same steps under Outbound Rules. This prevents Windows Firewall from blocking the game's network traffic. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure no VPN is running, your internet connection is stable, and your game is fully updated. These small checks can save time and prevent repeated connection errors. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the Black Ops 6 networking failed to start error without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their gaming session a little smoother?